In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new Shopify theme from your desktop. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, where you manage products, orders, and, of course, your website's look and feel. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Click on Online Store, and then select Themes. This is where all your current and saved themes live, and where you'll add the new one you've prepared. In the Themes area, scroll to the Theme Library section. This is your staging area for themes that aren't live yet. Click Add Theme, then choose Upload Zip File. A dialog will open. Click Choose File, navigate to the .zip file of your theme on your computer, and select it. Make sure you're uploading the theme as a .zip and not an extracted folder. Shopify expects a compressed file. When you're ready, click Upload. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this might take a moment. Once it's done, the theme will appear in your theme library, ready to be previewed, customized, or published. At this point, your theme is in your account, but not visible to customers yet. If you want it live right away, find the newly uploaded theme in the theme library and click Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm, and when you do, your storefront will switch to the new theme instantly. If you'd rather take a look first, you can preview the theme from this same area. This lets you click through pages, check layouts, and confirm that everything looks right without affecting your live store. You can also open the theme editor from the theme library to make changes before publishing. Adjust colors, fonts, and sections, and preview how your store appears on desktop and mobile. None of these edits will change what customers see until you actually publish the theme, which is great for working safely behind the scenes. A few quick tips as you go. If the upload stalls or fails, double-check that the file is a valid theme.zip and try again with a stable connection. Keep your current theme published until you're fully satisfied with the new one. And remember, you can always switch back by publishing your previous theme from the theme library. That's it. You've uploaded your theme, previewed it, and you're ready to publish when you're confident it's good to go.